Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today, I'm coming at you with one of my last cookie recipes of the season. I know I've had a lot of dessert recipes on my channel, but starting next week, I'm going to be starting my new series, Mediterranean Recipes. So for today, my last cookie recipe, I saved the best for last. I'm going to be showing you how to make oatmeal cake batter cookies, and this flavor combo is insane. Perfect for any birthday or celebration, any kind of special events. Everybody's going to go crazy over this flavor combo. So let's go ahead and get started. By preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I have my bowl. I'm gonna take a stick of unsalted butter. This butter, it's not melted, it's just soft. Brown sugar, white sugar, egg, vanilla, oatmeal, flour, secret ingredients, vanilla cake mix, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, sprinkles, you gotta have sprinkles. These are gonna bake for around 15 to 20 minutes. This scoop that I used today was a half size scoop. So these are definitely gonna take more on the 20-minute range. But if you made these half the size, it's gonna be leaning more towards 15 minutes. Wow, the smell is absolutely phenomenal. Look at these cookies, guys. The sides very golden brown and the tops nice and gooey. It's time for the best part, taste test time. Look at this cookie. It's absolutely perfect. Let's give it a try. Wow. This is exactly why I'm stopping my cookie videos. These are so good. These may be one of the best cookies I've ever had in my life. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.